Alright, I've been to my local delicatessen, and it specialises in Eastern European, specifically Polish and Romanian foods, but there are others included, as you shall see here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run you through what I bought and explain a little about what the products are. Right, I'll work from the back. These ones are delicious. These are preserved. This is Pomodori. It is a Bulgarian produce, and that's rather nice. It's Pomodori, as you may know if you speak Italian as well, is they are tomatoes, and they're Italian style plum tomatoes, and they're preserved with what look like vine leaves, dill and garlic. And they are a particular favourite of mine, and they're preserved in brine usually. This one is a Polish gypsy salad, and it's a salad. It's got cucumber, carrot, onion and red peppers in it, which is rather nice, and that's in a sweet vinegar, and that's really nice. So it's kind of a winter salad, and it's really nice in sandwiches. It's nice on the side of a plate when you're eating charcuterie like these. Here are some. These are Polish gherkins, dill gherkins with garlic. Very nice indeed, nice and crunchy and very tasty indeed. Here I've got some. This is a hot mustard. Polish style mustard, which is really nice. I like that one. It's somewhere between English mustard and Dijon mustard in flavour, but it's got a great character all of its own. Lovely one that is. This one may have got your attention. This is a Polish version of a blood sausage, and it's got ham inside it, this one, and there's a German one very similar which has tongue inside it, and that's really tasty. It's a lovely. Now, unlike a lot of blood sausages, this one's actually got a rather gelatinous texture rather than crumbly and powdery in texture. This is gelatinous, very nice for slicing and really good on a sandwich. This one is an Italian style head cheese, or brawn as we call it in the English language, and it's made from the head of the pig, and it's a delicious. It's very inexpensive. It's the same with this one was only £4, and this one was under £4. I think that was £3.50 for all that lovely meaty brawn. This one is a type of this again. It's a Polish smoked. Effectively a smoked bacon. It's pork belly that has been cured and smoked. It's a nice sweet cure on this and a really subtle smoke. So that little piece alone was £3.70, and trust me, boys and girls, that is worth the money. It's really nice, really delicious. This one, which I've already opened, naughty boy that I am, is a lovely pork sausage, and you'll see there, nice and lean, lovely pieces of pork, really nice for slicing and chopping up. Put it in sandwiches if you like. It's a really good for snacking, particularly if you've got a glass of beer. Really nice, that one. This one is a Polish garlic sausage. It's rather gelatinous and really nice. I love this one. It's a beautiful slicing sausage, and just cut it in rounds. Again, nice in a sandwich or nice on a salad plate. This is a real favourite of mine and my brother's. It is basically a meatloaf. It's a farm roasted meatloaf, and this is a product of the Czech Republic. And it's really nice. So it's made with pork and chicken. Pork 40%, chicken 23%, and it's got some vegetables in it, onion and what have you, and also it's got pistachios in it, which is really nice and gives it a lovely flavour. And the last thing on my list is these are smoked sprats. Now, not all of you like fish, but if you do and you like smoked fish, you're going to love these. There's another type that I get, which come from Riga in Latvia, and they are really good. And I've not tried these before, but I was actually looking for the Riga smoked sprats, but I found these, and they're a good price. You know, they're nice, lots of packed protein in there, and they're done in oil, so it's smoked sprats in vegetable oil. Right, what I think I'll do is I'll make up a little plate and carve up one or two of these things. I won't be able to open all of it because I want to preserve it, but I'll make a little plate up and let you see what it all looks like. So there we have it, my Polish and Eastern European charcuterie plate. I've got some of the what I call bloodwurst, or the blood sausage, and it looks like luncheon meat in there, ham. I've got some chopped up gherkin or dill pickle. I've got some of the Josefa sausage, which is here chopped up, and I like raw onion with my charcuterie, so I've got a little bit of raw onion going with it as well. I've got some of the brawn here. Both these open sandwiches have a smear of the excellent Polish mustard on it. There's the Bulgarian tomatoes either side of it, which I've cut into 4 quadrants, and a bit of the gypsy salad there as a nice mouth freshener. All in all, that's a delicious little plate of food, and I'm just going to have a little tuck into that, and you can see my ugly face while I do it. Alright, let's give this a go. First the brawn, because I love brawn. Nice. Try the Josefa sausage. Or dab of mustard on the end of that. That's a really good sausage, that one. I'll place a link to the deli I got this from. You'll see it somewhere above the video right now, or it'll be in the description. I'm just going to try a bit of this Bulgarian preserved tomato. So juicy and delicious. Really wonderful. Try a little bit of the winter salad, or the gypsy salad as they call it. It's really good. It's not too sweet either. Sometimes it can be a bit sweet, over sweet, but that's just right. And now the blood sausage. It has a great texture, not like any other blood sausage you'll try. Really, really good. Well, if you are in Rill and you do go to Mario's shop, ask him about the blood sausage and about the brawn, because it really is good. And the Josefa sausage, he runs out of that quite quick because a lot of people like it. Really, really good. A little bit. Well, thanks for being patient and putting up with me while I've been away. But as you can see, I'm in fine form and enjoying life. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.